and the spar is made of a composite, carbon composite, to make it incredibly strong, but incredibly light. Here comes the Corsair on takeoff roll, right to left. Watch and listen. Up goes that big, pretty F4U Corsair. Look how the left leg comes up and then the right leg. Some airplanes, both landing gear come up about the same time. That one is really different. The F4U, the left leg comes up first, then the right leg.
Why they come down the runway like that?
All right, he's establishing his climb out of the Tallulah Pittsburgh Airport here. Give Kevin a wave if he's taxiing by you in that extra 300. Good job today, good performance.
Light and fast. I wonder what's the fuel range on how far it can fly on the tank. Probably can't fly that far though.
Kevin Coleman again doing a great job of doing some aerobatics for us. Look to your left, here comes a nice low pass of that big F4U Corsair.
Sir? Yeah, 85 miles.